course here's a script you can use for your YouTube channel, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A50 2025 edition. This phone is making waves, and for good reason. It is packed with impressive features, a sleek design, and some serious performance upgrades compared to its earlier versions. Starting with the features, the Galaxy A50 2025 comes with a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Whether you are watching videos, gaming, or just browsing, everything looks sharp and lively. Powered by Samsung's latest Midrange processor and backed with 6 GB of RAM, this phone can easily handle multitasking and demanding apps without a hitch. The internal storage starts from 128 GB, giving you plenty of space for your photos, apps, and files, and yes, there is a microSD slot if you need even more storage. The camera setup is another area where Samsung stepped up big time. The A50 features a triple rear camera system led by a 64-megapixel main sensor supported by an ultra-wide lens and a depth sensor, perfect for capturing everything from scenic landscapes to crisp portraits. The front camera is no slouch either, delivering sharp selfies and supporting 4K video recording for those who love vlogging or high-quality video calls. Battery life is solid thanks to a 5000 mAh battery. It easily lasts a full day even with heavy use and supports fast charging, so you can get back to action quickly. The phone also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock for easy and secure access. Now talking about the exterior, the Galaxy A50 2025 carries a modern design with a slim profile and curved edges. The back is made of a glossy plastic material that looks like glass, giving it a premium feel without being too fragile. It comes in a range of new colors that really pop, including sky blue, midnight black, and a fresh mint green. The overall build quality feels sturdy and comfortable to hold, and the slim bezels around the display give it a very modern aesthetic. In conclusion, Samsung has done a great job refreshing the Galaxy A50 for 2025. It manages to balance powerful performance, a beautiful display, strong camera capabilities, and a stylish design, all at a very attractive price point. If you are looking for a smartphone that delivers premium features without breaking the bank, the Galaxy A50 2025 definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech updates. See you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly more energetic or edgy version depending on your channel style?